Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect Kucoin to Tradingview. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Tradingview account, which of course I've done right here. And now the next thing is, how can you create an account on Tradingview? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type tradingview.com, and that's going to walk you into the official website for Tradingview. Once you get into the website, go ahead and follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after signing in successfully, it's going to take you into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Tradingview. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to connect Kucoin to Tradingview. Okay, so how do you do that? First off, you need to open up the chart for any market. So you can head over to this top corner, click on market and search any market you want, or you can use the search bar. So this is a market that I've opened up, and that's Tesla. So I'm right in this chart. So let's say I want to connect Kucoin to Tradingview. This is what I'm going to do. So from this top left corner, all I have to do is to click on that plus icon where it has compare symbol, and so I can add symbol. So from the search bar, go ahead and type Kucoin. So this is Kucoin. Now this is Kucoin token. This Kucoin token Tether token Tether USD. This is just Tether. This is going to the value locked. So whichever one you want to choose. So let's say USDT. Now click on that, and once you click on that, you will see that Kucoin has been added to this chart. Now this chart is really messed up. As you can see, that green tick to show that Kucoin has been added to this chart. Now from this, you can now of course track whatever thing that you want to track in this. Okay, see if I can restart this. Let me just head over to restart. Yes, please. Just restarting the chart. It seems like the chart is really messed up. Okay. Right, so we are here. Now head over to the plus icon. Let's go right there again. The compare symbol. So I have this still loading up. Okay, so here, so search for Kucoin like we did. Now click on Kucoin until you have the blue tick. So that's it. Now, as you can see, Kucoin has been added to the chart. So you can now, of course, analyze Kucoin on Tradingview. So that's how you can connect Kucoin to Tradingview. And I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.